Throughout history, humans have survived by building tools to augment our physical strength. We invented the wheel to move faster and calculators to solve heavy math. But we've entered a phase where the most effective way to build wealth is to move beyond tools that help you work and start building digital systems that work for you 24 hours a day. Most people treat artificial intelligence like a search engine. You type a prompt, wait for an answer, and the work stops when you close the tab. A true AI agent operates on its own. Once you define its objective, it runs continuously in the background, making decisions and executing tasks without requiring your presence. Early adopters who understood the internet in 1999 or social media in 2007 were able to capture massive market share before the rest of the world arrived. Learning to build and deploy autonomous agents today offers that same window of opportunity. Mastering these systems allows an individual to move from being a simple user of technology to an architect of an infinitely scalable digital workforce. An autonomous agent needs a permanent environment where it can function without interruption. It requires a dedicated space to process logic and store data. Running an agent on your personal laptop is risky. It exposes your private files to the AI, drains your battery, and stops working the moment you lose an internet connection. The reliable alternative is a virtual private server, or VPS. This is a remote computer in a data center that stays powered on and connected to the web permanently. Modern hosting providers allow you to deploy an open-source agent platform like OpenKLO with a single click. This installs the necessary software onto your remote server in seconds, creating a clean environment for your AI. By utilizing a VPS, you've constructed a secure 24/7 headquarters for your agent that operates entirely independent of your physical hardware. For an agent to be effective, it needs a direct channel to receive instructions and interact with the outside world. You create this link by connecting your server to a messaging platform. In Telegram, you can use the BotFather tool to generate an authentication token. Entering this token into your AI platform establishes a secure bridge between your server and your phone. Now the bot is live. If a potential client sends a message at midnight, the agent responds instantly. It qualifies the prospect, collects lead details, and provides you with a summarized report, ensuring that you never have to manually monitor your inbox for new business. This setup ensures that every customer inquiry receives an intelligent response the second it arrives, preventing the revenue loss that occurs when messages go unanswered. Conversation is only the first step. To handle the actual workload, the AI needs the ability to perform administrative tasks across other software platforms. We achieve this by enabling API connections for tools like Google Workspace. By providing your agent with these authenticated access tokens, you grant it permission to read and write data directly into your calendar, spreadsheets, and emails. This enables a direct chain of execution. You can text your bot to schedule a discovery call for Saturday at 4 p.m. The agent processes that natural language, checks your availability via the API, and creates an authenticated event on your calendar instantly. Once integrated with your tools, the agent moves from mere conversation to autonomous executive support, managing schedules and data entry without human intervention. Traditional businesses often lack the technical background to build their own automation, even though they struggle with thousands of unmanaged customer inquiries. As you can design and maintain these messaging workflows for them, you are solving a high-cost problem that directly impacts their bottom line. You can package these systems as a professional service. By charging a recurring fee to monitor and update an automated lead capture system, you provide a business with a reliable support infrastructure that never sleeps and never misses an inquiry. The highest level of scale occurs when you transition from managing one general assistant to directing a team of specialized digital workers, each focused on a single department. An entrepreneur named Rabi demonstrated this by deploying an agent with a specific mission: convert social media engagement into revenue. The agent scanned TikTok comments for intent, generated custom outreach scripts, and managed the sales funnel, producing over $6,000 in profit in its first month. This strategy is how founder Banu Teja operates an entire tech company. He manages a central AI that routes tasks to 16 specialized nodes. These individual agents handle specific departments like software development, content writing, and customer retention, allowing a single person to run an entire organization. The technical barriers to staffing a company have been replaced by the challenge of designing the right systems. The tools are ready,
The choice is whether you will remain a passive user or become an architect of your own automated workforce.